All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV, to MG Sports TV. Actually, thank you guys for joining again. Now, another reggae boy, another Jamaica Premier League player on the move to Europe, Kenroy Campbell. We're going to get into more details in regards to his transfer and see what this transfer means for him personally and his family. And how does that affect Jamaican football? We're going to get into that, but before we do so, I would really appreciate it if you would smash that like button and most definitely hit that subscribe button. On you go, people. Just do the things, do the right thing. Massive respect. Thank you very much for tuning in. Let's get straight to the details of this happening right now. Let's get to it, people. Let's get straight to it. So if you can't see me, I'm in the top right corner. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Alright, so as you can see, Kenroy Campbell doing his famous celebration. My love for her will live on. So let's see. Sanjay Myers is right up the story. Let's get into the details. On the eve of finalizing a move to Europe, footballer Kenroy Campbell says his ambitions are fueled by the unwavering devotion for his sister Shanae Francis, who passed away in April. Let's get further in details. The 20-year-old Campbell, who had outstanding performance for Cavalier FC in the last season Jamaican Premier League, grabbed the attention of top-tier Moldovan outfit FC Zimbru Chișinău, and could be on his way there within a matter of days. This is what Campbell said. To know that something like this has come through, I have tears of joy, and only God knows how happy I am. My sister recently passed away, and it pains me that she's not here to see my dreams coming through. But I have not forgotten her because she's still motivated me to keep going. My love for her will live on. Campbell said of Francis, who died at age 18 after battling a lifelong illness. Campbell agent Kevin Cohen, as you know, Kevin Cohen is doing all the groundbreaking work in regards to transfers in Jamaica for international dimension. Told the Observer the preliminary arrangement between FC Zimbru is for 1 year, 1 year agreement. The agreement in place allows Kenroy to join FC Zimbru on an initial season-long loan, which can be made permanent if he impresses during that period. However, we need to first set up his visa process so that he can depart to Moldova by the end of this week to complete his medical assessment. So that means medical assessment will be done possibly by let's say Friday. That means this was written today, so possible it was written from yesterday, and he would have left today to do the medical, possible tomorrow, which would be Friday. So that's good. Up to press time on Wednesday, the Observer tried without success to get a comment from either Cavaliers Club or its technical director, Rudolph Speed. The speedy and powerful Campbell, formerly of Rosyth High School, made a substitute appearance in the Jamaica Senior Reggae Boyz 1-1 result away to Suriname in the CONCACAF Nations League in June. He said his opportunity is the fruit of dedication and sacrifice, one that he intends to seize with both hands. It is such a great feeling knowing I have been working so hard from start of my career. After I finished my final Dakasa Cup schoolboy football season, I told myself that I'm going to do my very best to fulfill my potential. I made up my mind that I want to be a professional footballer, so I'm ready to work hard and I won't let anything stop me from going forward. Right now I feel confident that I am ready for what's next. I'm ready for all the challenges and I intend to adapt quickly to my new club and country. I believe in my versatility. I believe I'm a versatile player who can play in different positions and different systems. So I think I'll adjust to any playing style, said Campbell, while noting that his strength including good passing ability and vision. This is the last aspect of it. But he added there's room for growth. I would like to improve on my defensive side of the game, because if I get that side of the game, I'm confident I can become the best left back for my country and for my club and for Jamaica. I just need to go to Europe and work hard and make my family proud, he said. Cohen is confident Campbell can adapt to life in Eastern European country. I think that he definitely has what it takes to make a successful transition to European football. He's quite a talent and is blessed with a combination of power and pace, and he possesses tremendous offensive qualities. Defensively, he's still a bit unpolished and will need to improve in this era, agent told Sanjay Myers, the Observer. Now, as we said, people, as we said, this is definitely a good thing in all aspects. It doesn't matter what direction or how we look at it. It is actually a blessing that we have another player making a European move. And as I said, it's definitely good. It doesn't matter how or who you think or what you think about football in Jamaica. This most definitely is a tremendous move by Kenroy Campbell. And if you have seen the most recent player, that is actually Cephas, and how well he's doing. Cephas is playing today actually, and how well he's doing. You most definitely seen that this is now a common trend for our local players moving into the European category or the European market, footballing market, which is a good trend for us. It means that we can start to populate that area. It used to be the USL and the MLS. Now we're targeting the European market, which is the best step for us making that next move going forward. For those who don't know Kenroy Campbell, he's a very hard-working player. Many times I've been to the Captain Oresborough Center, like when I was watching like the under 17 or even the under 20s, under 15. When I'm going by these training sessions, you would see him up there doing independent work working on his areas of fitness, his technical ability, his shooting skills. He has a very, very good left foot. He's very fast, pacey, powerful player, and I do think that is a tremendous move for him, and most definitely a tremendous insight for Cavaliers Football Club, because it's a club that is actually has a lot of young players who can bud forward to see replicate this movement and use him as a template. Say, okay, well, I want to be like the next Kenroy Campbell in Cavaliers Football Club, making the next move, or Kaim Paris. And these are the aspects of football that's happening right now in Jamaica, in the Jamaican football, and it's a good thing. It's a very much a good thing. It's difficult though to know that most of the most talented players from the league are leaving, and most of the time has a lot to do with aspirations, because the top tier European cups are elite competitions. You cannot stay in Jamaica and play these top tier competitions like Champions League, the Europa League, Conference League, which is now a recent thing. You cannot play there. You won't be able to play against the top competitive clubs right across the world, and this is the route to doing so. And why not? This is the route to doing so, and why not? Most definitely. So that you will continuously find or see players moving from our local Premier League to these areas, and I'm happy that now we have found the budding market of the European market to flex our talent muscle in right now. So we won't go any further. Congratulations, Kenroy Campbell, on your move and that big move, and I definitely hope and I wish to see your success, and I'll be tracking your success live. As you know, we keep up to date with everything, and I'll see you guys again. Big up Kenroy Campbell, congratulations on that move. I'll see you guys again. MG Sports TV, people, we are out.